Welcome to breaking news. Harvest, Alabama, in the northern part of the state experienced 7 inches of rain this morning, causing widespread flooding in the city. The surroundings were swallowed up by the flood waters. Total paralyzed activities. Local authorities cannot say when the water will recede. Until this news was released, no casualties were reported. But material casualties are certain. Cars and houses submerged. And Mount Juliet, a windstorm with heavy rain recorded speeds of 80 miles per hour with this storm. Local authorities urge to remain vigilant with the extreme weather that has occurred lately.